Hello everyone, hello. So only the J never subscribe. What are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get more videos. Before, thank you, God bless you, my people. One woman, in fact, 3 women, wey dey go dey sell children, they don catch them. Well, I go put the video more and see my people. 3 women. They go dey sell children, my people. That is when you go see some kind of things, you go shock talize sometimes. When I see the video, the thing tire me. 3 women. See what they go dey do. They go dey sell children. They go dey sell children. Now they catch them. See they want pay the woman. The other one say na 1 million. Then they want pay the woman. We get the pikin. The other one say na the other woman say na 800 abi 1 million. The other one say na 1.1. You know, I was like that pikin. They use the price like this. I been a crayfish. Na crayfish they the price. I been a pikin. That is it. It don't take with the road they do this thing before God come catch them now. It don't take with the road they do this thing. My people. So kind of person go there here for social media and you go shock talize. The thing go tire you when you go see him and you go say, he pikin again no. And then they price like crayfish, my people. As I see the video, I say no, I must shook mouth for this thing. Make my people see here another one again. A woman, they go they sell children and they catch them. They police station and they ask the question. 3 women, Igbo women, 3. Igbo, that this one for happen now, my people. We first see one that time, that one say happen, but I say that for Benin, I don't know. When you that one with your husband, I even do one together. This one now, don't take that their job what they just they do. If they see person wey get belle, wey be say you know feel bump maybe you want bump pikin, you no get money, they will just say okay, make them bring her come. Then they just they do that be their work, my people. Yeah, they will say what the person never see, never waka reach there. They say what the person never see, never waka reach there, my people. When I see am, I shock talize, You know whether they say person go shock talize 10 times, my people. What the person go do for this social media? What the person go dey hear every day? My people, I say, my man, so let me want to hear this one. Oh. Now I say, make I come share that for now. The video don't full everywhere, and I go put the video more and see. More and see where woman they use their mouth, they talk the way they say children, like say na crayfish, now that they say, like say na crayfish show my people, or na a good seed, now that they say me I don't know for them. See the way they talk, my people, the thing tire me. Oh. Now I say make I see bring a moon and here my lovely people. Now I say me I say tell you now, Mona be careful. Mona be careful for all those kind of women. See some when I see that day now, they catch them children. We be say small girls. We be say they'll lock them. Now those kind of women they do now. They'll lock them for one room. They go they born. They sell the children. Or they born for them. They sell children. Maybe all those girls will be say they go carry belly now. They don't know, give them belly. They'll come cry, give somebody will come tell them, say, okay, go help them. You go introduce them to all those kind of women. They'll begin to sell children, they do different things. Now, what that they do, now be all those ones. Aye, my people. So, I beg, wanna be careful for all those kind of women. All those kind of women, wanna be careful for them. When I see what they happen for social media ever since, the thing if you know they shock talize me, they shock talize me. Now say I can't share that for my lovely people. I go put the video more and see when they use their mouth, they shop onions. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. And anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Bye everybody. Share this video for me. Share and my beg. Share them because many people they will say they do this business so that if they see this kind one, they go shock talize. Thank you. Bye.
To the woman today, and you told this woman now 1 million naira so that you can collect 50,000 inside. Okay. Now, how did you come here today? Where do you stay? What is your name?
Mrs. Rosie
Nwokocha. From Umuahia. You have been arrested in Port Harcourt here today at Wimpy Junction. Or where? Where were you arrested? Rumokute Junction. What happened? Where were you here?
This sister called me
Uh-huh.
that there's a child of Louis
Uh-huh.
that I should come.
Ah.
If I would like that I have somebody that will buy it.
Okay.
Buy the baby.
Okay.
Then I said that I should come and check it very well.
Okay. Okay. Talk loud. Talk loud.
That is how my voice is. So. Then as I can't ask her how much. She told me 1 million.
Okay.
I said,
Who told you that the baby is 1 million?
It's me.
Okay.
But this
Who?
one says 9.5.
And who told you that the baby will be sold at 9.5?
Is this
950.
9.50?
You added 1 million, 50,000. Okay. The top.
so I now say that I should come and see the baby first.
Okay.
So I will see the person that adopts the baby.
Okay.
That's why I came.
Okay. That is why you came.
Yes, and
Okay.
You come
Did
with
you
who?
come with? Who do you come with?
I come with my sister.
Yeah.
My sister.
What is her name?
Is John.
The time you came and bought the other one,
She came with me because I'm sick.
she also came with you
Because I'm
to
sick.
come and buy the baby. How much you bought the first one? That's your man's daughter or son.
I don't know her. I don't know
Oh,
the amount.
okay. How much you bought that one?
1.
1. What is 1?
1,100,000.
1 what?
1,100,000.
100 what? Naira or euro? Huh?
Naira.
Okay, that's what you bought it. Okay, when you bought it, 1,100,000 naira. That was what you bought the first baby you bought. From who? Now, today,
From
this
who,
one,
please,
this
sorry.
one, this
From
one.
who?
From who? Okay, this one you came today to buy. How much do you want to sell it today?
Told me it's one. Then
Huh?
the person that want the baby she's the one that gave me the money.
How much she give you?
The same amount.
How much?
1.
Where is the money?
It's inside my bag. But if
This thing now. Hold it for hand. Collect
Hold
it
it
and
for
hold for your hand.
Give it to her.
How much is this?
1.
1 what?
1.1 million.
Okay, this 1.1 million. What do you want to use it to do?
I never see this.
I say, what do you want? What did you come to do with 1.1 million?
She called me to come and see the baby now. That's why I came with it. If the baby is okay,
You will
Good.
now pay. Huh? You will do what?
I will not pay the money to her.
For
To who?
To who?
So I don't even know her name, sir.
Well, so now, you will pay what? How much to her? Huh?
It's 1.
1 what? 1 what?
1.1 million.
Okay. Now, this 1.1 million, who are you going to give the 1. Huh? Which auntie? Huh? First here. Huh? To bring the baby to you. Okay. Now, I think we okay for here.
Auntie Ify, which person baby you want to pay the money for?
I never seen the baby. Somebody that called me. That is why.
Who called you?
The number is
They
she
call-
was calling me
That.
that somebody had the baby.
Uh-huh.
What
They
is
want
her
to
name?
sell.
Yes.
Oh, you wait. The person called you that there is a baby available for sale. At how much? The person tell you. 950.
So I told her
Before you now tell this one, you tell her 1 million.
You tell her how much.
This one, you now tell this one how much?
1.
Huh? 1. Like 1 what? 1 million what?
1 million.
1 million one waiting.
1.1 million.
Okay, that's what they come. So this, why you are here now, is to pay for the baby with this money. What do you come here to do with this money?
I said,
What do you come here to do with this 1 million one?
so I said if I see the woman that gave me, if I see the child, I use it. Because my husband and wife.
One buy. Okay, now then give you this money.
Who is the person who give you the money?
What is the name? Huh? Huh?
I will remember the name. I will remember the name.
Okay, no problem.
What is the name of the person?
So I will
Give me
remember
this
the
one.
name because the person just came. I will remember
From where the person come?
from Umuahia.
It's okay, don't ask again.
From
Now let me
Umuahia.
come in here. That's so the other baby now. The other baby where you sell last 2 weeks. Huh? Where is the baby now?
He's at Aba. All husband and wife for him.
I'm not hearing Igbo.
Okay, now husband and wife carry him.
Now husband and wife buy that one. Okay.
Carry the child.
Okay. They come. How did they come and carry the child? You take it to their house in Aba, or they come to Umuahia where you go with the baby to carry her.
I go to their house.
What is their name? You go to their house to deliver the baby.
I call them, they carry me today.
Okay. So that way you deliver the baby. Okay. What is their names?
The name is on my phone.
Okay, it's okay. Thank you very much. I am a call of